Hey guys, it's Ximena and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you my June 2020 bullet journal setup. It was so fun. I love this month's theme, so I hope you guys enjoy it too. Also, thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. I still cannot believe it. Stay tuned to the end or go to this timestamp because I'm talking more about that, and I'm also doing a giveaway. I'm giving away a bunch of really cute stuff, so make sure to stay till the end or go to this timestamp to find out what you will win and how you can win. So this month's theme, as if you can't already tell, I sketched it out first because it was just easier. I didn't want you guys to just see me sketching it out. I think that would be kind of boring. But if you can't already tell, it's just a tropical fruit theme. It was so fun, really simple to make too. I'm not the best artist, so I always try finding some that are fairly simple to use because I mess up a lot. So I messed up quite a few times this month, but it's okay, I moved on. Anyway, so yeah, it was really fun doing this theme. I already said that a billion times, but I hope you guys enjoy it. So after I colored it in, I outlined the fruit in black marker because I just felt like outlining afterwards, one, didn't smudge the marker, and two, it just gives it more of like a whimsical look vibe. I don't know how to explain it. And then this is where everything went wrong. So I thought, maybe he should add some more orange down here. And so I started drawing an orange fruit, and then I realized there was literally one right underneath it. And so I felt so dumb. I was like, why would I do this? So then I just tore out a piece of paper from my bullet journal and I just tried covering it, and I ended up drawing avocado again, which I was gonna draw originally, but I should have just stuck to it. Basically kind of did all of that for nothing. I should have just stuck to the avocado, but yeah, I fixed it. It's okay. It's not the best, but it's okay. We can move on from our mistakes and learn from our mistakes especially. And then I just added some little dots to add a little bit of my own flair to it. Also, I forgot to mention, this whole theme was mainly inspired by Amanda Rachely's bullet journal. I did not take credit for coming up with this or anything. I honestly got most of it from Amanda's video from a couple years back for August, I think. So you guys should definitely check it out. I'll link it in the description if you want to see the original. But some things I added my own little touch to it, but mostly was inspired by Amanda's. Moving on to the next page, I just started off with this little jar of lemonade. It was super cute. I love how it turned out. And yeah, there's not much to it. I just drew a jar of lemonade with some fruit around it. Sorry, I'm drinking Starbucks. And for the quote, I just put enjoy today because I feel like we take a lot of days for granted. So I'm just trying to live in the moment, I guess, and just enjoy my summer, you know. So now moving on to our monthly spread. I didn't realize literally until today that I messed up this spread. So I did 6 days of the week instead of 7, which I realized then while I was doing the bullet journal. And at the end of the week, instead of just putting Saturday, I put Saturday/Sunday. and you'll see in a minute. But I just literally just realized it today, like a few days after I drew all of this, what I messed up on. But overall, I think it was cute if I hadn't messed up. This is where my camera died, so I had to move on to the next day. Let's pause it for a minute. So basically, if you go back, you'll see that the days were numbered 1 through 6 for both Saturday and Sunday, when it really should have been numbered 6 and 7. And then all of the other days were wrong. My birthday's on the 27th and it's on a Saturday, but on this calendar, it ended up being on a Wednesday. So there you can see all the numbers just kind of went wrong. But that's okay because I don't really use the calendar layout that much, but I just kind of find it essential to bullet journaling. I'm really upset that I messed it up, but that's okay. I don't use it that much. Still, I'm upset. Anyways, back to the next page. So this one is a new spread I wanted to try out and I really love it, so I guess it balances out the big mistake I made on the calendar. I just did a mood tracker. I was nervous about the circle, so what I'm trying to do here is I did like a orange slice, I guess, and I'm doing all the lines. I did 30 lines because there's 30 days in June, so each day I'm supposed to color in like what color I'm feeling. So I did like a little mood thing at the bottom, so each day I color in how I'm feeling. It was honestly really nice and I can't wait to use it. Also, can we talk about how June starts on a Monday and has 30 days? Like, isn't that just something satisfying about that? Maybe it's just me. Sorry if you can see like the little blue box at the bottom. I had to try out a new filming setup. That's why it's not as good as last month. I had to kind of improvise, so I'm using like this bucket I have in my room, and some of the clips show up with this blue bin that I used. Moving on to my habit tracker. This one I was kind of nervous about because I had to write out 30 numbers 6 times. It was kind of frustrating. I really want to get like those stamps that you put each month on. I went on it by hand, a lot of erasing, but I think it turned out okay. And I just did 6 habits instead of 5 like I did last month, just because I wanted it to be even. Pretty self-explanatory. And then I just put some fruit around it to add to the theme. By the way, comment down below if you're listening to this and you're planning with me. I don't know how many people actually stay through the video and plan with me. Even if you're not planning, comment down below if you're watching. If you're watching this, comment strawberry because I'm currently drinking strawberry acai refresher from Starbucks and there's strawberries on the bullet journal, so comment down below strawberry. So for my June goals, this is another page that I wanted to try out because I did a brain dump last month, but I honestly didn't really use it. So I just did a June goals, did little lemon things. Each lemon is for a different type of goal. So the first one is like work, like YouTube and stuff. The next one is personal and it's health. So I'm excited to use this one and work on my goals more. And on the next page, I just did a summer bucket list. Also, sorry if the lighting changes. I had to film this like on different days, so that's why it kind of changes a little bit, and I filmed it in different locations on some, so I can't wait for summer. The day I'm filming this, I have one more day of school. By the time you're watching this, I'm probably out of school. Alright, so moving on to my weekly page. I actually really like how this weekly one turned out, and I just did 4 rectangles on the first page, scattering some fruit around the page. I wrote everything in my markers, and then I outlined everything in black just like I did for all the other fruit. And yeah, this one was really fun, pretty simple. Definitely not as simple as last month's weekly, but hopefully I can keep up with this and use it for every week. And honestly, my first page turned out a lot better than my second one. It's okay, I have 4 weeks. So I couldn't really film me doing the next page, but here's a fancy transition of me magically doing the next page. That's the video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry for this crappy quality. Make sure to keep watching because I'm about to talk about all the giveaway stuff. And again, thank you to 1,000. I'm gonna say that a lot in this video, I'm sorry, but yeah, let's see how the giveaways. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. I had a lot of fun making it. Took a while, but it was super fun and super worth it because I love how it turned out. Anyways, yeah, let's move on to the giveaway. Actually, is it this way? I don't know. Guys, oh my goodness, we hit 1,000 subscribers. I cannot believe this. Like, and maybe I'm over exaggerating because 1,000 subscribers compared to a lot of other YouTubers is not so big, but I really think it's like the first big milestone, and we reached it. And I could not have done this without the help of you guys. I still can't believe it. You guys remember when I made my thank you for 100 subscribers video? I never expected to have such amazing supporters like you guys. Thank you so much for making this dream come true, this goal. Again, I could not have done this without you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. I apologize if my voice sounds nasally. I have like really bad allergies. So because of 1,000 subscribers, I decided it would be super fun to do a giveaway because I would not be here where I am without you guys. So I feel like even though I can't give something to every single one of you guys, I can randomly select a person and give them a really good prize for being a supporter of my channel. It's not too big, but I hope you guys enjoy it. It's the thought that counts. So here are the rules and what you will be winning. So I'm gonna tell you guys what you will be winning first, and that is super adorable scrunchies from an amazing scrunchie shop. They literally have adorable scrunchies. You guys should definitely check them out. They're called La Scrunchie on Etsy. I'll link it in the description, but they partnered with me and I'm giving away 2 of their very cute scrunchies. Okay, hold up. Sorry guys, brief intermission. I just got the scrunchies. So when I filmed this, I didn't have the scrunchies yet. I just got the scrunchies and they're way better than anything I ever imagined, guys. They're so cute. I wish I could keep them myself, and I'm definitely gonna like order some for myself because they just are so cute. So I recommend you buy some of your own if you don't win. Even if you do win, buy some more. And then the next thing, you're getting 2 Fudenosuke lettering pens. So basically what that is basically just like a black hand lettering markers, and you guys know I'm obsessed with all this design lettering stuff, so I thought maybe I could give you guys some if you're interested too. And it's just a really cool marker. I think it's like the best marker for beginners, so I'm gonna give away 2 of those markers, a hard tip and a soft tip. So that's gonna be your next thing. And then the third thing in the giveaway is a $10 Starbucks gift card. And if you don't like Starbucks, okay, this is where the next rules are gonna come in, but basically just a $10 gift card to wherever you want. I'm saying Starbucks because that's what like I originally had planned, but then I thought it would be much cooler if you guys could pick out whatever store you wanted. So you basically get $10 to whatever store you want. Hey everyone, so when I filmed this, there was originally 4 things, but now there's a 5th thing, and it is this adorable choker and anklet set from Pure Joy Jewelry Co. on Etsy, so that will also be linked in the description. But it's like this adorable anklet and choker. I have my own pair and I love it so much, so you'll also be winning this if you win. And then the final thing is going to be some really cute mystery stickers in the package too. So you get 4 things. Here are the rules if you want to win that super awesome, amazing, cute stuff. So the first one is you have to be subscribed, obviously, because this is a giveaway for my subscribers, with your notifications. Also, I forgot to mention, this is the most important rule, that you have to sign the Google Doc form below. So make sure you fill out the Google form below or else you will not be entered. So go fill it out. And make sure to like this video and like my other videos if you liked them. If you didn't, that's okay, but I would appreciate it. And next thing is to comment your favorite store or food place. This is where the gift card comes in. So if I choose you, I can see what you can choose. Top 3, because some of them I might not be able to get gift cards to, but choose your top 3. And then the final one, which gives you an extra entry, which means you have a higher chance of winning, is you have to use one of my discount codes in the description. So I have 3 links in the description. I always have it in my descriptions where I have discounts, and you must use at least one of those codes. There's some pretty affordable stuff, and yeah, I think it would be really cute. There's phone cases that you can get. There's some super adorable t-shirts. They have some really awesome jewelry that you can get for 10% off. So if you want an extra entry, this is optional. You don't have to do this. But if you do want an extra entry, use one of the codes below and buy something, and you will get an extra entry. And after you have used one of the codes, send me a screenshot of what you ordered so I know you actually ordered it, and I can give you that extra entry. This giveaway ends June 16th. That's actually my brother's birthday. So hurry up, do all the stuff you gotta do. Thank you guys so much again for this. This is crazy. I'm so excited for this, guys. You have no idea. So yeah, make sure to enter the giveaway, follow all the rules, and comment down below all the stuff so you can win some really cute stuff. What kind of sucks is that I have to take a math test right after this.